Hello everyone, my name is Kushal and today we are going to discuss a very important concept in Python, that is setter and getter concept. Setter and getter is also called as mutator and accessor respectively. So it is an alternative way for constructor, setter and getter actually. And here the setter is used to set the data to the object and getter is used to get the data from the object. Actually, uh, inside setter and getter method we can able to validate data, and we use setter and getter to add validation logic around getting and setting a value. So to provide a direct access of a class field, that is private variables cannot be accessed directly or modified by external users. So we just use setter and getter to just set the data and to get the data. So if I will just tell you one example here, how can we set the data and how can we get the data with the help of this setter and getter. So I just define one class here, class student. Now this is a type of syntax that set variable name, and inside that I just write one reference variable and the name of variable. So this is a method to set the data, and to get this data there is another method, that is get method. So get variable and I have to define it. Inside the get, just define the reference variable and return that data. So this is the syntax, or this is the way to set any data and to get any data within a class. Now create one object for that class to just call setter and getter, and inside a object we just provide the value for that particular variable. Suppose I guess I provide a value for name as Rohit, and to get the value I need to call the get name here method. So but I want to print also, I just print here because return doesn't print anything, we know that. So to print here I just print get name, and if I run it, it will print me the output. So this is a way to use setter and getter inside any class. This first setter, what happened here, it just set the data, set any variable here inside a setter, and to access or to get that particular variable we use the getter. So by using a different object and just setting different values outside of class, we just set n number of values to any objects and just get that values, particular values, by using getter method. And to print it, because return here we use return statement, that's why it doesn't print anything, that's why I use here print statement, and it just print the value of particular variable. So this is all about the setter and getter concept, or we can also call it as mutator and accessor concept. So I hope you enjoy this and you understand this concept. Thanks for watching.